Hi, and welcome to our information session on the NPA computer games development. I'm going to talk about the structure of the NPA assessments and progression. Firstly, though, the entry requirements for this course are 3 passes at National 4, one of which should be maths. The NPA is made up of 3 units, so we've got design, media assets and development, and this takes you through the whole game development process, so from getting that initial idea to creating the game. The class runs from August to April and attendance is Tuesday and Thursday afternoons. Attendance is highly important as there is no homework set for the class, but if the work's not finished within class time, you'd be expected to catch up in your own time. We do use Office 365 and Teams, which means you can access course materials and your work anywhere. So the first unit is the design unit, and that breaks down what games are. We'll look at the different components that make up a game. So what elements, what game mechanics. This does include a little time playing games as well. So we'll look at the composition of your favourite games. This leads us to thinking then of our own ideas and eventually coming up with a game idea that students will then take forward. So the media assets unit is where you will learn about different types of software, including things like Photoshop, Paint.net, also look at online pixel art tools, as well as Audacity for sound. This will help you create the assets that you've said you're going to need for the game that you're planning on making. Alongside that, while you're learning about creating assets, you'll learn about copyright laws as well, so that you know what you can and cannot do when it comes to creating the assets for your game. Finally, the development unit will take you through the process of learning some programming in Greenfoot. So we use Java programming for that. Before you go on to create the game you designed in the very first unit, using the media assets from the second unit. The course is assessed throughout, so there are no exams, and overall there are 7 assessments within this. They're all open book and they're done in class time. If, when you complete this, you decide that you want to study games further, we do run an NC or HNC computer games course at the college, and the level depends on what level of maths you have and also completion of the NPA. You also can apply to university though for a games course as well. Thank you.